Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials, Chromecast or Chromecast-built TV, and that both your device and TV share the same Wi-Fi. Once done, update Zoom and Chrome, and open the Google Home app so the device is discoverable. Make sure Chromecast is powered and the TV input matches. Next, sign into Zoom on the sending device and open Chrome if you plan to cast a desktop. The software versions matter because casting stability depends on current updates and permissions. Now you perform the main action. On a laptop, use Chrome's menu, select Cast, and pick your Chromecast. Choose to cast a tab for the Zoom window or the whole desktop for camera sharing. On Android phone, open Zoom, tap Share Content, then Cast Screen. On iPhone, prefer an Apple TV or use AirPlay-compatible solutions because iOS limits direct Chromecast casting. Grant microphone and camera permissions when prompted, and make sure Zoom's speaker and camera are set to the correct devices so participants can see and hear you. To finish, stop casting from Chrome or the Google Home app and end your Zoom meeting normally. If you encounter lag or no audio, first reduce Zoom video quality, switch from Tabcast to Desktop Cast, or restart the Chromecast. These steps often fix sync issues. If problems persist, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band, reboot your router, and close streaming or backup apps that consume bandwidth. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot Chromecast and the host device together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.